Since we're talking about opinion writing and persuasive writing this week, I think it's important for us to talk about what an opinion even is. So, what is an opinion? An opinion is something that you think. So, you might like something or you might not. So, you can see in this picture, someone's thinking about how much they really like dogs. There might be some people who don't really like dogs. An opinion is something that some people might think is true and other people might not think is true. It can be each person can have their own opinion about dogs or things like that. Not everyone has to like the same things. So who has an opinion? We all do. An opinion is personal because we all have different ones. So you might think that onions are yucky while your friend might love them. So it doesn't mean either one of you are wrong, but some people might like onions and some people might think they're yucky. So that's your opinion about them. Where do we see opinions? Opinions are all around us. So we can hear them from friends or read about them. Maybe someone has an opinion about their favorite game that they like to play, or maybe their favorite foods, or their favorite pet. And you might have a different opinion from your friend. We're going to talk about writing our opinions. So we're going to be using a structure called Oreo. So we're going to give an opening, that's our O, an opening statement. So you might say something like, I think dogs are better than cats. And then the next thing you have to do is provide some reasons for your opinion. So you can't just say, I think dogs are better than cats. You have to tell me why. I think dogs are better than cats. Dogs can run really fast. Dogs are fun to play with. They're big and cuddly. Those are all reasons why you might like dogs more than cats. Then you need to end with a closing statement. So you say, repeat what your first idea was. That is why dogs are better than cats. So the more reasons you can give, the better it is to support your opinion. So you might convince someone else of your opinion if you give lots of really good reasons why you think something is true. So these are some words that are really helpful for us when we're writing some opinions. So you might say, I think, or I believe, or I feel. In my opinion, my favorite, I prefer, the best, I don't think, I'm convinced, the worst, I agree, I do not believe, it's my belief. These are all some ideas of ways you can start off your opinion writing. So you might say, I think dogs are better than cats. Or you might say, in my opinion, dogs are the best animal. Or my favorite animal is dog. Let's look at an example of an opinion writing now. So here's someone who did a really good job writing an opinion. They put an opening statement that said, I like winter more than I like summer. That's their opinion. So some people might be like, no way, summer is so much better. But this person's opinion is that they like winter more than summer. But they have to give some reasons why they like winter more than summer. So I like being able to play in the snow. I enjoy drinking hot cocoa with marshmallows. And I prefer to wear warmer clothes like scarves. Those are all reasons for their opinion that winter is better than summer. And then they repeat their opinion at the end. They say, as you can see, this is why I like winter more. So I want you to start thinking about your opinions about different things, and then we're going to start actually doing some writing like this where we have our opinions and then we give some reasons for our opinions, why we like something better.